Hello my dear brothers and sisters. In this video we are going to discuss about the articles maximum with complete and detailed information. I'm just trying to put this at the front of you, and you can see here the usage of articles in English grammar. Articles, already we know that a and the, these considered as an article, and these are divided into two groups. What those two groups? Indefinite article a and definite article the. So first we'll discuss about the basic use of a and an, then we'll discuss some brief usage of a and as well as an. You can see here usage of indefinite article a. Already we know that indefinite article. So where, what and how, you can see here a is used when before singular noun, singular common noun which has consonant sound. The basic point is that the consonant sound we have to remember for the usage of a. And you can see that a girl, a boy, a bag, a book, a cap, a box, a dog. And second, a is used before a noun which gives consonant sound. Which sound? Consonant sound. Even they begin with vowels. Even they begin with vowels. You can see that university, 1 rupee note, European, one-eyed girl. Here U, O and E, these three also. Which letter? Yes, you are right. Vowel letters. But here when we pronounce the university, 1 rupee note or one-eyed girl, otherwise European, this produce a different sound. University in that Y, it means different, it means here the consonant sound. And 1 rupee, you can see that 1, that should be a W, European, that should be a Y, 1 W, here in this way it produces the consonant sound, so that we are using a. Third one, a is used to represent a class. What class here? Dog, a cat, this is a class. Dog is a faithful animal, a cat is a domestic animal. Next, fourth rule, basic rule, a is used before a word in the sense of one, otherwise a single. I bought a book, I have a dictionary, single. A is used before these words such as cold, noise, headache. I have a cold, don't make a noise. Now the main basic concept of an is used before a singular noun which gives which sound? Vowel sound. Here you can see umbrella, eye, army, egg, orange. Here it produces what? Vowel sound. Next, you can see here an is used before a word which begins with silent H. Actually we can't pronounce the H, but H is there, and you can see here hour, not hour, it's silent. Hotel. In these days we have the habit to use hotel, but actually hotel. Honest man. Here in all the cases it is silent and it produces actually the sound vowel, so that we are using an. Next, third one, an is used before a singular noun which gives which sound? Vowel sound, even it begins with consonant. Beginning with consonant, but it producing the sound. Which one? That is the vowel. And you can see here yes not, S, S-I. Yum peanut, like Chingam says na, yum possible. This is not yum, it's M, M-P. Which sound? Vowel sound. MLA. Easily you can remind that when in Telugu A to aha, you know, when A to aha sounds will come, you have to use an, and Ka to Ravati, it means you have to use a, just for reminding. Now some more brief details. Before a singular countable noun, singular, and that should be a countable. In this sense of, and it tell you it's just simply a one. A surgeon should be very careful during an operation. a surgeon. Sense of one. An engineer supervises the construction of a building. Here also sense of one. In sense of the same. Ramu and Srinu are of a size. Size, it means that the same size. So that here same. In the sense of every. Every, sense of every. Tomatoes cost rupees 20 a kilo. Here 20 kilo, in that whatever the tomatoes are there, that considered as every here. Same, the Rajdhani Express runs at a speed of 120 kilometers an hour. Next, when a thing or a person is introduced for the first time, there is a swimming pool in our town. A swimming pool, you can observe, first time introducing, so that you can use indefinite article. Third one, a quantity expression to refer to a certain material object. Certain material, that should be a quantity expressions, like cotton, rubber, paper, milk, food, etc. We no need to say or use not a paper, a milk. We have to use a piece of paper, a cup of tea, a packet of salt, a bundle of grass, a cake of soap. In this way we have to follow. An item of furniture, a piece of information, etc. in this way. Next, fourth one, before a singular noun used as an example of a class. Previously we discussed a class. An elephant is a big animal. Elephants are the big animals. A rose is a beautiful flower. All roses are the beautiful flowers. Before names of professions, like Surya Prakash is a doctor. Sharda is an architect. Here the professions. In certain numerical expressions, numbers, quantities, did you order 100 chairs of our college? 100, you can observe here. Second one, Mohit faced a lot of trouble to reach her home in the rain. You can see here, a lot of trouble, quantity. Before Mr. Miss, when he or she is a stranger at that time. Mr. Srinivas came to meet father, but here Srinivas is unknown to whom? To the speaker. And next, second one example, a Miss Shanti is waiting outside. She is also here the stranger. Next rule number 8, before plurals used as singulars. Plurals are there, but we are using as a single. Barracks and innings, you listen the commentary many times. Next, before abstract, which noun? Abstract nouns in the sense of a kind of, a knowledge. Abstract noun of history is always useful. Now we know that where and in which situations we have to use indefinite article, but at some situations we no need to use indefinite article. Which situations those are, we'll discuss here now. You can see here an indefinite article is not used. Example also there. Before plural nouns, you can see a donkeys, cobras, logs, etc. For example, you can see this is a pen. This is a pen. A pen we are using. When the pens are there, we will use the article. These are pens. Understood? Second, before uncountable nouns, at that place also we no need to use AR and sand, clay, water, rice, milk, etc. Before material nouns, silk, iron, silver, wool, gold, glass, etc. Before names of meals used in general sense, used in general sense, breakfast, lunch, etc. I hope. Thanks for listening to me. In next video we will discuss about the definite article the with complete detailed information, where to use, where not to use. If you loved this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good day.